Namaskar, I am Devi Dutt and welcome to Anand Yoga. Power Yoga for legs. Power Yoga is a complete body workout which helps you to improve your strength, stamina, flexibility and total body fitness. Power Yoga for legs focuses on strengthening and toning of your leg muscles, which includes calf, hamstring and quadriceps. At the same time, it also helps you to strengthen your leg joints like the ankles, knees and the hip joint. Power Yoga Legs Technique 3. You start with Surya Namaskar position 1 in Namaskar. Take the Namaskar up and back. Have a wonderful stretch. Then come to the hip hinge pose. The knees should not go beyond the toes. This pose itself helps you to strengthen the legs. Then go forward, tabletop. Then allow the hands to go by the side of your feet. A wonderful stretch for the legs. Now go to the lunge pose by taking one leg behind, look up. From here, you go to the warrior pose 1. You either look at the hand which is up or you look in front, whatever is comfortable for you. This is a wonderful practice which will help you to improve the flexibility of the back leg and train the muscles of the front leg, the strength of the front leg. From here, again come back to the lunge pose. Then the downward facing dog, where you can relax the legs slightly. And then take the other leg forward and come to the lunge pose. From here, again you're coming to the warrior pose. This practice also helps you to strengthen your joints of the legs, the ankles, the knees and the hip joint. Then again the lunge pose. And come back to the forward bending position. Here again the legs are getting stretched, so gets relaxed. And then come to the tabletop. Hip hinge. Stand and have the backward bend. And come back to the starting position. The best part of Power Yoga is it not only just strengthens your muscle, but it also makes it flexible, like this workout.